Hello students, you are watching Virtual Kaksha. This is sets part 6. Topics to be covered in this video are complement of a set, some properties of complement sets. Students, I know you are much aware of the word complement, right? Something that completes or makes perfect, or we can say the quantity or amount that completes anything. Similarly, in maths, especially in sets, complement of a set A means all elements of a universal set which are not in set A. Complement of a set is written as A dash, right? Let's take one example. A is a set which consists of 4 elements 1, 2, 3, 4, and B is another set which consists of elements 3, 4, 5 and 6. C is a third set which consists of 3 elements, those are 6, 7 and 8. So students, for 3 sets, the universal set will be consist of set A, B and C, or we can say universal set is a combination of all 3 given sets. So we will not repeat elements here. The similar elements we cannot conclude here. So in set B 3 and 4, and in set C 6, 7, 8 are given. So complement of A is written as A dash. It is basically U minus A. Then it is written as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and minus subtract करेंगे 1, 2, 3, 4. बेसिकली 1, 2, 3, 4 हम लोग यहाँ पे कंक्लूड नहीं करेंगे. So complement of set A will be 5, 6, 7, 8 because complement of set A is what? A complement of a set A means all the elements of universal set which are not in set A, right? It is denoted by A dash. Complement of B. What about complement of B? Then we write here U minus B. Then complement of B, we cannot conclude the elements which are belongs to set B. So B complement of B will be B dash will be 1, 2, 7 and 8 because 3, 4, 5, 6 are the element of set B. So for complement of C, which is equal to U minus C, C dash equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we cannot conclude here 6, 7, 8. 6, 7, 8 यहाँ conclude नहीं करेंगे तो complement of C will be 1, 2, 3, 4. Some properties of complement sets. First property is complement law. Complement law, first law is A union A complement equal universal set. Let's do by taking equals. Let A equals to PQR and B is a set which consists of M and OP. Then for set A and B, the universal set will be all the elements of set A and B. But we will not repeat any element here. So complement of set A equals to U minus A. Write down the universal set and set A and cut down those elements which belongs to set A. Then complement of set A equals to M and O. Right? नेक्स्ट आपका हो जाएगा A यूनियन B कॉम्प्लीमेंट A और वी कैन से A यूनियन A कॉम्प्लीमेंट इक्वल्स टू क्या हो जाएगा P Q R are the element of set A and we have to find union and A complement will be M and O. We have found here M and O. So A union A complement will be P Q R and M and O, right? PQR and MNO because we know in union of sets we conclude all common and non-common elements. So it is equals to universal set. So for second, let's take second part of complement law. A intersection complement of set A equals to 5. Let's put the values PQR intersection M and O. M and O basically A complement. So we will get 5 null set because there is no common point between A set A and complement of set A, right? Or A complement because there is no element between set A and A complement. So this is proved. De Morgan's law. First law tells A union B complement equal A complement intersection B complement. Second De Morgan's law tells A intersection B complement equals to, let's do through examples. Let A equals to PQR and B equals to MNOP. Then for set A and B, universal set हो जाएगा PQR and MNO, right? Then complement of set B equals to universal set minus set B. So we have equal QR. Similarly, we find A complement equal MNO and A union B complement, or we can say complement of A union B. We have to find complement of A union B. First find A union B. A union B क्या होगा? PQR union MNOP, right? So complement A union B will be U minus A union B, right? So this is basically null set, because in union of set and A union B, elements are same. So all elements will cut down and we have complement of A union B equals to 5. And and let's check right side. A complement intersection B complement equal. Write down the elements of complement A and B complement, those are Q and R. Then we find is also a null set, because there is no common element between A complement and B complement. So LHS equal RHS. So we can say complement of A union B equals to A complement intersection B complement. Law of double complementation. Let's check one by one. Law of let A is a set which consists of elements 1, 2, 3 and 4, and its complement will be, and universal set consists of elements 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6. A complement equals to 5, 6, because we cannot conclude here the element of set A. So complement, डबल कॉम्प्लीमेंट क्या हो जाएगा आपका? डबल कॉम्प्लीमेंट हो जाएगा आपका u माइनस ए कॉम्प्लीमेंट. u हमारा क्या गिवन है? u हमारा गिवन है 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 एंड 6, एंड कॉम्प्लीमेंट a क्या गिवन है? 5, 6. So again we subtract the elements, we get 1, 2, 3 and 4, and this belongs to set A. So we can say double complement or complement of set A complement equals to A. Laws of empty set and universal set, or we can say complement of null set equals to universal set and complement of universal equals to 5. Let U is a set which consists of elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 5. 5 तो आपका null set हो गया because it don't have any elements. So we can say complement of null set equals to U minus 5. So what is U? That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is a universal set minus null set. So it is basically U. So 5 or null set, yeah, complement of null set equals to universal set. And what about complement of universal set? So complement of universal set equals to U minus, so complement of universal set equals to 5 minus U. 5, there is no element, minus 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So again we get, this is a 5. So U complement equals to 5. Hopefully it will be helpful for you. Thank you for watching Virtual Kaksha and keep learning.